Hello friends, today in this video, we are going to talk about British Virgin Islands Bank holidays in 2026. In this video, you will get the complete list of public and bank holidays observed in the British Virgin Islands for the year 2026. So let's get started. The year begins with Thursday, January 1st, which is celebrated as New Year's Day. In March, Monday, March 9th is observed as Hamilton Laverty Style holiday. Moving to April, Friday, April 3rd is celebrated as Good Friday. After that, Monday, April 6th is observed as Easter Monday. In May, Monday, May 25th is celebrated as Whit Monday. In June, Friday, June 12th is observed as King's Birthday. Then Tuesday, June 30th is celebrated as commemoration of the 250th anniversary of freedom at Nottingham Estate. Long Look. In July, Monday, July 6th is observed as Virgin Islands Day. In August, Monday, August 3rd is celebrated as Festival Monday. Then Tuesday, August 4th is Festival Tuesday. And Wednesday, August 5th is observed as Festival Wednesday. In October, Monday, October 19th is celebrated as Heroes and Foreparents Day. In November, Monday, November 23rd is observed as the 1949 Great March and Restoration Day. Finally, Friday, December 25th is celebrated as Christmas Day, and Saturday, December 26th is observed as Boxing Day. So that's all in this video. If you like this video, please hit a like button. Thank you.